Now on to the three factors that contribute to home prices, starting with the neighborhood comps and location. As you know, when we pull neighborhood comps, the market dictates the value of the homes during that time. So the comps will tell us what is going on in that neighborhood or subdivision or zip code, what may it be. So, on to the location. Is the home that you're looking at located in a desirable neighborhood? Is it zoned to good schools? Do it have a low crime rate? Does it provide you amenities such as shopping centers and hospitals? Interest rates and economic factors. Interest rates determine how much a buyer will have to pay to borrow that money. Low interest rates tend to increase demand, and the opposite holds true. Economic factors such as job growth rates, unemployment rates, inflation, just to name a few.